Hello everyone, today we're talking about wash pouch, so to put your toiletries in, and the one I chose is the C2 Summit. It's normally like a packing cube, but I use it as a wash pouch, so I will put the links in the description. I have it in orange, as you can see. It's pretty small. I compare it to my hand. It's smaller than most other wash pouch, which I really like because I don't have much to pack with me. Here is an apple in comparison, and here is a banana. Okay, so put this on the side. As you can see, you have like a Epilon thing where you can put this. You can put this so to keep it on the wall. You have here a zip. I think it's YKK. Let's see. No, it's not YKK. It's CNO, ONO. Maybe. It doesn't matter. It's a really good zip. It's like sealed. So it's not completely waterproof because there is a gap right here. But it keeps water out a little bit. So C2 Summit, you can see in pass-through. So maybe it passes when you take the plane. And inside I have some gear. So the gear I use, you can open it. I have some things to put under. I have a perfume here. I have my toothbrush that is in bamboo, and it is in two parts, as you can see here. Okay, I have this is really good. It's from Matador. So it's a reusable toothpaste tube, and so you remove this, you put toothpaste, and you have it packed in a little capacity. It's for 1 week. It's TSA approved. Really good from Matador. I will put the links in the description. Here I have this, which is not Matador, but Matador made it. It's to put and to keep your soap from getting like with water. You have this. Okay, it's like it's waterproof. Here we go. We have this is sunscreen that I put in another container. Here I have some things, some gel for the hair. I have this where I put some medicine. It likes aspirin in here and other things you can see. Next I have this just in case, zip bag. I have some cream. I have some showering gel. I have this to cut nails. Okay, and finally, no, not finally, a little thing like this. Finally, I have this. It's from Chicago.com. It's really well made. It's a Model 2 carbon fiber. But it's kind of like a plastic. And it's amazing. It's super durable, super small. And yeah, I use it every day. So now it's empty. You can see it's pretty small. I can fit my apple inside, and I can even fit maybe not the banana. So I use this as my wash pouch, and I really like it because it's really small, it's really well made, It keeps water and things out. It's really super lightweight, as you can see, and you can fold it, like it's perfect. So I recommend this packing cube, which I use as a wash pouch from Sea to Summit. It's a XS model. I think it's Hydro something, the name. I will put it in the description down below. Thank you, put a like if you liked it, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.